To make these garlic butter steak bites, we are using 2 pounds of ribeye steak. Begin by cutting your steak into bite-sized pieces. Quick corny joke, why did the steak bites go to the party? Because they've heard it was a rare occasion. I am corny as hell, I know, haha. Transfer the steak bites into a mixing bowl. Then season the steaks with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Then toss until all the steak bite pieces are evenly coated. Now set a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of either olive oil or avocado oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, transfer the steak bites into the skillet in a single layer. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. You may need to cook them in batches if your skillet is not big enough. Cook the steak bites for about 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium rare, or adjust the cooking time to your desired level of doneness. Keep in mind that the cooking time will vary depending on the thickness of your steak bites. Make sure not to overcook your steak bites. Nobody wants overcooked steak. If you were to overcook it, it will be hard and tough to shoot. Nobody wants that, not me, okay? If it's not moving, I ain't chewing. Oh, and one more thing. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. And once your steak bites have been cooked to your desired doneness, set them aside. Now, using the same skillet, reduce the heat to medium. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. As the butter is melting, add 6 cloves of garlic, minced. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic burn as it will taste bitter. And once the garlic is nice and fragrant, bring the steak bites back into the skillet, followed by 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Then quickly toss the steak bites in the garlic butter sauce. Once the steak bites are covered in the sauce, serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade garlic butter steak bites. They make a fantastic and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. And there you have it, garlic butter steak bites. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye!
Yeah!